What was once unused vertical potential is now a complete living space, adding comfort for your family and value for the house. This ADU increases the total living space of your home without sacrificing your yard area. This is the key advantage for the homeowners who want more of the room but without changing the footprint of their lot. So once inside, you immediately feel that this is not just an extension, it's a complete home of its own. You're walking in and perfectly open a living space that's connected to the kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful cabinets, soft closet. You have brand new microwave, electrical oven, double refrigerator here. This property features 2 bedrooms, full bathroom with walk-in shower. It has a quartz finishes, and you're walking into the dining room with the connected kitchen. Thank you so much again for taking your time to walk with us. Couple quick questions. So what made you decide to build a second floor fully ADU instead of expanding your main home?
2 reasons. One, I've got kids, and if they want to go on their own, live on their own, they can have their own separate place to stay.
Nice.
And the other option was, I get a lot of visitors from Fiji. They come over, and so this will give them more privacy.
How was your overall construction experience?
The constructions and experience with Yuri and the company was excellent. They were very good, very accommodating. Experience with the city was slower than I expected. Once I got the permit permit going, Yuri was
started ready to go. That's great. How do you think this ADU impact the value of the house, and the functionality? If you ever do the resale or move on?
I think now it's increased by another 700 square feet. Increased by another 2 bedrooms, a total of 6 bedroom, and it's a unit on its own. I think it will substantially increase the value of my property much more than what I spent building
it when it is selling. That's a great equity builder, probably.
Great equity builder,
Building ADU, building the equity. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
No problem.
This ADU does more than adding rooms. It adds flexibility, it adds value for the property, and most importantly, it adds the comfort living for people who live here.